Hi there, this is savewith.crypto. Okay, so typically what I was talking about in my previous video, you can see that by clicking the link in the top right hand corner now. But I was talking about this descending channel being a kind of bullish thing. You know, it's kind of like a bull flag like that, with quite a big target to the upside, to be honest. And I was saying it would probably break out like what this one did, and it did. Quite spectacularly. What it didn't do, unfortunately, is go down to these targets that I had set that I was hoping to long from on the earlier video. But the point is, you know, this is a BTC to BTC trade. I missed the long entry. Okay, no big deal. But you know, the value of the Bitcoin that I'm holding anyway is going up. So you know, earlier on, a friend of mine was saying, should he sell at this point and then hope to buy back in later? That would have been a completely idiotic thing to do because the price is gone up. So that wouldn't have worked out for him. Don't think he did it actually, so that's cool. But yeah, so you can see the price of Bitcoin has indeed sort of broken out, and it's up to 22.894. I'm kind of expecting it to go up to about here, up to about 24, and then maybe roll back over again. But it might not. It might just continue going up. The important thing is what I was saying about the MACD on the 4-hour thing crossing to green. It did exactly that, what I said, at 2 o'clock this afternoon, and up it went. So that's it crossing on the 4-hour. And then looking back on the 1-hour chart, you see when this has done this kind of thing before, so like a big long chunk of green with like quite a large green candle at the end, then it's something like that, you see just here. So then it did come down again. So I'm seeing two things that might happen here. One is it could just carry on going up. I don't think it will do that, but it very well could. There's no reason why it shouldn't. But if you look back here at this one here, this one kind of broke out, went up, and then came back right down again into the channel, and then bounced back out again. And there's every possibility that might do that again. But what I think's more likely is we'll see it kind of all the excitement die off. It will drop down like that when everyone takes their money. And I'm hoping this top blue line here that was resistance will now become support. So it will bounce off there and then go back up. So what I think is worth doing is probably setting some orders between, say, 22,000 and say 21,750, something like that. So I might do that over on the other account. So this is the one that didn't get triggered. So I'm just going to take these orders out now because they don't look like they're going to get triggered. And then I'm going to put in whatever I just said. Let's say the high of that kind of looks like a good level there. 21,955. Let's do that one. So 21,955. Quantity. Let's have it quarter of what I've got there. Maybe put another one a little bit higher. Maybe 22,214. 22,214. Okay, the same amount. Do a buy there. So that's 2 buy orders there. And I think I'll leave it like that for the moment, and I'll see if they get triggered first before I decide what to do with the rest of the money. Okay, so that's what I'm doing over on ByBit. If you want to do the same, use my link, savewithcrypto.org/ByBit, and you can get up to a $4,050 bonus when you make a deposit. Anyway, on the subject of ByBit, a friend of mine sent me this message. I don't quite understand it, actually, he says, but it says, my ByBit account is still under the amount I put in. If I buy more coins, will the money first top up the deficit? On the copy trading, I mean. Okay, I think I know what he means. Let's just have a look at a ByBit account. Actually, this one might do because I've got think I've got copy trading on this. Oh, okay, this was one of the ones that got liquidated. So this one's down minus 66 USDT. Now, I think what he's saying is if he puts 66 USDT into this account, will that just go to zero? No, it won't, because you've lost that money already. So it won't do that. But in actual fact, what happens when you put money in? I mean, I've never done the buy crypto thing. I've never done that. All I've ever done is done the deposit. So I've gone to assets, and then, for example, if I want to put in Bitcoin, I've just gone deposit, and then I've sent BTC to the address there. But what happens is you can choose if the money's going to go into your spot account or your derivatives account. And if you've ever done the copy trading, so this one here, you'll know that when you look at your copy trades, and if you want to put money in there, you need to go to transfer here and then move money from your derivatives account to your copy trading account. So there's like 3 different accounts there. There's a copy trading account, the derivatives account, and then your spot account. So when you pay money in, it might go into your spot account depending on how you've set it, or it might go into your derivatives account. But whatever you want to do, if you want to put it into your copy trading account, then it will go there. But yeah, so I think what he might have been worried about is the fact that it says minus 66 or something like that there. But that's the money you've lost. So the money's gone. So it's not like you're overdrawn or anything like that. So I think that's the answer to his question. Now, the other thing I'm going to cover in a future video is this 3 commas bot that I've got going. It's doing Ethereum on a long strategy. It's been going since about mid-June, I think it was, and I started off with about $1,000 worth of Ethereum, and it's made a profit of $1,105. That includes the price of Ethereum going up, though, so the actual real profit is 0.691 Ethereum, which is not bad, is it? So that's double the money, and like today's profit was like $25.92, so that's quite good. I think what I need to do, because I can't remember exactly how I set this up, so I think what I need to do is when this is in profit, I'm gonna stop the bot, then maybe close it manually, or maybe I'll wait till it's in profit here and then close it manually. The thing is, though, it's not in profit for very long because the profit margin is quite small. So when it's like a few percent in profit, it will close and then it will re-enter. So that's what the strategy is for that. But if I do that, then I'll have the money to play with, and then I can go from scratch, showing you how to do it. And that will mean going to savewith.crypto.org/3 commas, and that gets you the free trial. And then if you decide to take up a professional plan or whatever, I'm actually using the free plan, as you can see up there, which is pretty cool. I did have a paid one for about a year, then it expired, and I just realised it continues with one bot and one smart trade, and the smart trade can work with various exchanges, and you can do things like you can have a kind of trailing stop type buy, trailing buy, when you're buying your crypto, and trailing stop loss, but you can do that on ByBit anyway. But you can also have a time stop loss, so it avoids those kind of wicks where it temporarily hits your stop loss and then goes back to where it's supposed to be. And that way you can set a timer for your stop loss, and that's pretty cool as well. So I might have to do a proper in-depth analysis of 3 commas and what it can do, and setting up one of these bots and see if I can recreate what it's doing now, because it seems to be working really good. And I didn't really do much. I just kind of picked a bot, got it running, and gave it $1,000 worth of Ethereum to play with, and it seems to have gone off and done its stuff quite well. So that's what I'll be doing in the future. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you've got the notifications on all. Please do leave a nice comment. I will try and reply to all the ones, not the spam ones obviously, I'm not going to reply to them. But yeah, if you leave a nice comment I'll definitely reply. Please do give the video a like while you're down there, and above all, tell your friends.